Ba't ka pa pumunta rito kung wala ka palang alam? So, useless ka lang sa amin. Then, dapat policy na kita rito. Puro you don't know, I don't know.
Sinabo ni Senator Tulfo ang corporate lawyer ng OGCC o Office of the Government Counsel na si Attorney Francis Julius Romeo Del Valle dahil sa mga hindi masagot na katanungan ng senador patungkol sa opinyon ng PCSO.
Right. My first question. Meron pong opinion ang OGCC, Office of the Government Corporate Counsel, dated April 19, 2023, because humiling po si General Manager Mr. Robles ng opinion from OGCC tungkol po doon sa pagkakaroon ng e-lotto. At sinabi po ng OGCC na number 1, hindi pwede illegal at kailangan humingi muna ng permiso from the OP, Office of the President. Ang tanong, humingi kayo ng permiso o ng opinion sa OGCC at sinabi ng OGCC, no can do, bakit ipinagpatuloy pa rin yung pakikipag-transact? Dito sa Pacific, bakit pinagpatuloy pa rin pakikipag-transaksyon sa Pacific Online Systems Corporation? Anybody would like to answer? PCSO? But first of all, OGCC nandito pala. Sige, para ma-make sure natin na tama itong nababasa naming kontrata or memorandum of agreement. OGCC, your attorney Francis Julius Romeo Del Valle.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I have here in front of me ito memorandum of agreement and then an opinion from OGCC stating na kailangan magkaroon muna ng permission from the OP bago mag-proceed sa online ng e-lotto.
Yes, Your Honor. I was informed earlier that the OGCC has issued that opinion, opinion number 70. However, I'm not the one in charge and I'm not involved in the drafting of that opinion. So I cannot speak with regard to that opinion, Your Honor.
Okay, sige, hindi ikaw nag-draft ng opinion, pero yung opinion na binigay ng OGCC ay legit. Ibig sabihin, legitimate yun na kailangan ang isang government-owned corporation, pag sila ay magkaroon ng anumang klaseng project and enter into an agreement with any entity, they should have permission from the Office of the President since they are under the Office of the President. You agree?
Your Honor, I have not gone through that opinion, Your Honor.
Ba't ka pa pumunta rito kung wala ka palang alam? So useless ka lang sa amin. Then dapat policy na kita rito. Puro you don't know, I don't know. Nabasa niyo na po ba ito? Alam niyo naman siguro ang reason ko ba't kayo pinapunta rito, di ba? O bakit puro ka I don't know?
Your Honor, the OGCC was only informed of the hearing yesterday, and I was only apprised that I'm the one assigned today to attend the hearing.
Who assigned you to attend the hearing today?
The office, Your Honor, the GCC, Your Honor.
Pero nabasa mo na itong contract. Ito itong memorandum of agreement. Itong MOA.
No, Your Honor.
You were not informed by the committee? About the purpose of you being called here?
I was informed that the purpose is with regard to the proposed Senate bill, Your Honor.
Okay.
So that's the one that I studied, Your Honor.
Kaya na, doon sa Senate bill, kinukontra namin yung pagkakaroon ng e-lotto. So dapat napag-aralan mo na yun. Being a lawyer, you should know better. Sana na-review mo na itong contract.
Yes, Your Honor, but as the representative of our office, I can only speak based on the official perspective of the office on the contract.
Okay, kasi something's fishy here for me, Attorney Del Valle. Okay, I don't know you. Pero unang-una, nag-invite kami doon sa mga tao na may kinalaman dito sa gumawa ng MOA. at yung taong nakapirma dito sa MOA hindi pumunta at ikaw ang pinadala at yung pinadala dito walang alam. So, ano pa yung sense na ako'y magtatanong sa iyo tungkol sa contract na ito kung puro ka walang alam? You follow me, sir? So, meron ba ako mapapakinabangan sa iyo sa araw na ito? If you say wala, then I'll let you go. Meron ba? You're an attorney, you're a lawyer. How long have you been with the OGCC?
For more than one year, 1 month, Your Honor.
1 year, 1 month. Okay, so meron akong mapapakinabangan sa'yo unless kung sabihin mo 1 day ka pa lang. So meron ka masasagot sa akin one way or the other. Right? And I don't want to hear na puro I don't know. Tama, sir? While we're at this MOA, can we give this gentleman a copy of the MOA para pwede niyang habang pinag-usapan yung mga ibang topic, pwede niya ma-review, and then you might want to call these people here na pumirma. I'll give you time to call them. Is that okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung hindi pumunta, yung nagpadala sa'yo dito, call them. And since you're the corporate lawyer, then call everybody you can call about this MOA. Okay? Kasi ayoko na, ito kasi pinaka-reason kung bakit nandito ka. And then, hindi mo masagot, para lumilitaw, useless ka. Sorry, sir, ha? Now, sino sasagot sa PCSO? Mr. Junicoa, Mr. Robles. Meron na pong humingi kayo ng opinion, kayo po mismo humingi ng opinion sa OGCC tungkol sa pagkakaroon ng iloto, at sabi ng OGCC, opinion nila na hindi dapat unless kung talagang pumilit kayo, you need a permission from the OP, Office of the President. Online yung iloto, di ba? Yung birthday panalo, online pareho. Pagbabanggay mo parehong online. So therefore, kung pareho silang online, pareho dapat may permiso sa Office of the President.
I respect your opinion, Mr. Chairman, but I'm specifically referring to the memorandum of the OGCC sa contract review nila sa amin of 21 December 2023, which is much later, Mr. Chairman.
Regardless, I see what you're coming from. I understand what you're saying. Exactly. Pero again, nais kong ipa-remind sa inyo lahat dito, sa iyo especially, Mr. Robles, yung sinabi rito ng OGCC. Sabi mo, ibang laro yung hiningan nyo ng opinion. Ang hiningan nyo ng opinion ay tungkol doon sa birthday panalo. Okay, nandun na tayo. Online game. Tama. PCSO na iloto, online game din. Parehong online game. Regardless kung magkaiba sila ng hiningan nyo ng opinion. Pero the fact na it states here na online game should have the permission of the Office of the President. That you should have secured permission from the OP. I'd like to ask the opinion of Mr. Juni Kua here, the chairman of the PCSO. Mr. Kua, ano po masasabi nyo?
Well, tama naman po yung binasa ninyo kanina na kinakailangan na humingi ng permiso sa Office of the President.
I'm sorry po, sir. So, you agree with me doon po sa nabasa ko, Mr. Kua being the chairperson of PCSO?
Well, nakita ko naman pong binasa niyo yun doon sa provision ng charter at yun din po ang pagkakaalam.
Thank you, Mr. Kua. Okay, Mr. Robles, ayan, pati yung chairman ninyo sa PCSO, naintindihan po yung sinasabi ko. Naintindihan po yung binasa ko. Very simple lang po talaga yon. Actually, pang kindergarten lang po yon. Na sinasabi rito, pag online, kailangan may permiso mula sa OP. Online po yung iloto. Sana po, kumuha kayo ng permiso sa Office of the President. Binaypas niyo po yung OP sa proyektong ito. Number 1 violation po yun. Why was it violated?